In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a travel planner in Notion. If you're someone who loves to stay organized, especially when it comes to traveling, then this tutorial is just for you. Notion is an amazing tool that allows you to create custom pages and databases that fit your personal needs, and today, we're leveraging its features to build a comprehensive travel planner. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Notion. If you have the app installed on your desktop or mobile device, simply launch it. Otherwise, you can access it via your preferred web browser. Once you're on the Notion homepage, look toward the left sidebar. You'll see a button marked with a plus sign that says New Page. Go ahead and click on that. You're going to create a new page where all your travel details will be stored. After clicking, it's time to name your page. In the title field, type Travel Planner. This will be the hub for all your upcoming travel plans. Giving it a clear and descriptive name will help you easily find it later among all your other Notion pages. With your page set up, the next step is to create an itinerary database. In the new page, start typing a /. You'll notice a list of commands pop up, and here you want to select Table, Inline. This option will embed a table directly onto your page, allowing you to organize your travel information effectively. Now it's time to add some properties to this table. Think of these as the different columns that will store specific types of information about your travel plans. Our first property will be Activity. Set its type to Title. This is where you'll enter the name of the activity or event you plan to attend during your travels. Next, let's add a Date property. This one should be set to the Date type, which makes it simple to pick a date from a calendar for when each activity is scheduled to take place. Following that, create a Time property set to Text. Here, you'll type in the start time for each of your activities. Finally, add a Location property, also set to Text, so you can jot down where each activity will happen. And there you have it, your very own travel planner template in Notion. This setup not only organizes your travel plans, but also ensures that all pertinent details are easily accessible in one place. Remember, you can always customize this template further to suit your needs, adding more properties or rearranging them as required. Give yourself the gift of stress-free travel with this handy tool. Thanks for following along. I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks on using Notion to simplify your life. Safe travels.